Alright fam, today we got the Vietnamese egg rolls. Vermicelli with Vietnamese egg rolls. Let's get straight to it, huh? Alright, we got the pickle, daikon and carrots. Vietnamese egg rolls. Serving with the fish sauce. Some herbs. Some basil. Bean sprouts. Please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. Let's get straight to it, fam. Yeah, Food Addict's been losing momentum compared to my Vietnamese channel, but we're not gonna give up. Right, Holly? Holly, tell them to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. I already gave her one piece, yeah. You want one more, Holly? Okay. Holly, yummy, yummy. Okay, one more and that's it, okay? My dog Holly also has a YouTube channel. So please come support her. Hi, fam. This is made by my mom. Mama makes the best food, right? That's why I'm back in Denver.
Trời ơi, mày chê hết tôi rồi hả?
Holly, is it good?
Nó dụ tôi hả con?
Holly, is it yummy, yummy? Got cucumbers, Thai basil, pickled carrots and daikon. Yeah. I apologize for the poor lighting.
Gì thấy thằng Hồ Ly, Hồ Ly.
Holly, is it yummy, yummy?
Nó ăn với mày.
Con gái mà. Holly, you're a girl, right?
Ăn cho giờ cũng được hả?
Ăn 2 miếng rồi. Holly, is it yummy, yummy?
Việc đầu túng ra hồi đi nó mừng quá. Ngày đi 3 lần thôi chứ còn gì nữa.
Yummy, yummy, right? Okay, give you some noodles, huh? Some noodles, okay? Too little? Okay, give you a bigger piece, huh?
Em lấy cái này làm gì đó?
Đợi em chút xíu đi. Meanwhile, I'm uploading 420 celebration video for my Vietnamese channel. I think that's gonna do a lot better on the Vietnamese channel compared to the English channel. Right, Holly? Oh yeah, also got lettuce. Yeah, got lettuce. Still hungry, Holly? No more. You eat too much. You eat too much, you're gonna be fat. Okay, a little bit more, huh? You eat too much, you're gonna be fat, Holly. Mmm. Holly, is it yummy, yummy? I still have a video from Juarez, Mexico, fam. Video from Juarez, Mexico. Yeah, we gotta find it and upload it. Eating menudo. Look out for that, and look out for more videos in Juarez. Gordon Ramsay got another food show on Fox. This dude's been around for a minute, huh? Gordon Ramsay. Try to keep this thing around 9 minutes, huh? That way the viewer retention is a lot higher. Holly, tell them to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. Thank you for watching, fam. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell.